Yeah, Crimson, we don't have the technology to tell us what the song is. This song right now is Dazzle. Is this the one, or was it from before this? The song just before this was Sea Wave by Machivzinski. This song? Yeah, this song is... Oh my goodness, oh no! I literally just closed it. How sad is that? Yeah, Dazzle by Onir. I'm pretty sure that's what I read, yeah. We'll start at the beginning. We had a chair to BTTV. I should add a picture of my chair to my emotes. It's a good idea. Ooh, map. Abstraction? No, I don't think so. It saves so much writing. Because every single one of these would need to say that it is in this buffer with some extra description and that it's normal mode. I think it's good to show them that they can write functions. What's Western? It's a terminal emulator. Like, it's good to show them that Lua is a real language. It's not like some mystical, magical JSON thingy or something, right? It's good to show you can just, like, write a function. You can just do something. By the way, yeah. So Jay should have been exactly. Why is the note section? Because we wanted to make them pop. I don't think this is deserving of a note. Okay, so I think we should do something like this. Whoops. Oh, I forgot that that's oh, that's one of my key maps, dang. Sounds like a kid's face. No, it does, yeah. To do comments. Is there an easy way to create a scratch buffer? There's an easy way to jump to the next get conflict. I just use diff view and it was good. Where can we expect the stream changes in Kickstarter? I thought it's a single stream, not a series. Well, I'm going to make a summary video of everything, but we'll be uploading them to the VODs channel, which is right here. Soon, probably. Yeah, Gleam is really cool. I think Gleam has a lot of potential. Seems like a nice line. Where do we put capabilities? Up here? Override. It's in capabilities. Can be used to disable certain LSP features. Work on it? Yeah, I can push again. Yes, I'm pushing updates. Well, actually, I wanted to see what we're at. Have we? Okay, sweet. We're still under 300. That's really where I want to be. Does what? Yeah, most of the gets. There are a few get ones that work out of the box. Yeah. VOD, lol, you RTS player. I don't think only RTS players call things VODs. What? It's literally called video on demand. Like, they're just called that, I think. Oh, I don't think so. I think lots of things call them VODs. Yes, we are using Lazy, the package manager. Yeah, I thought that VOD was pretty standard. It's video. I thought it was video on demand because you can do it whenever you want. Is that a YouTube chatter? Sounds like a YouTube chat thing to say. Yeah. The name is The Vodagen. That's a much better color scheme than what, Antushka? I don't even know what you're talking about. Dang, Nico, 6 months in advance. Appreciate it. It was really nice of you. Getting error with my latest config? Okay. I don't know if I... Spec table got nil. Uh-oh. Table keys. What did I do for servers? Whoops. Yeah, I didn't run it yet. I just pushed it because someone asked. Not even a first time chatter. Chat, you're in charge of that. Sure, list extend. What did I do wrong here? I did break production. That's a pretty terrible error message. You know? Did we do something with... I don't remember what we changed recently. Probably some key map somewhere. Well, no, it's probably not in one of these. It's probably somewhere in the... No, probably in LSP config somewhere, right? Group. Clear is true. Callback is event. Yeah, commas, they can do that to you for sure. That is not table keys. List of all the keys. List extend. Sure installed. But, oh, it wasn't this, though. We know for sure it wasn't servers. After second argument, expected table got nil. Here. Let me go to... We can at least see what function that is. After the second argument. This is in table extend. Table D. Oh, we did this one wrong. Capabilities. Oh, did we never make capabilities? We did. Oh, I see. Interesting. Does that really work? I didn't realize that would work. Yeah, there you go. I didn't realize it would do that with select. So select can tell that it passes nil in the last item. That's a big surprise, honestly. I didn't know that it could do that. I didn't think I had to put a backup one there. Okay, that's fine. That should work. My maintainers all like Tokyo Night. Did we get any of them? Well, I'm giving Tokyo Night because I think it's a good color scheme that's gonna get kept up to date. I still like my color scheme, right? That it should be improved. Yeah, the problem is I don't know where it's getting. It's something goofy with config, right? How do you have different color schemes? We're running two completely separate configs right now. Her subtox instead of Google. Yeah, I know. No Kanagawa. We can. Okay, fine. We'll try Kanagawa Neovim. Let's take a look. This is nice. It does look good. Just for Crimson Mama, to be clear, the best color scheme is the new default one. I do think that it's good. I do think it's good. How to exact color scheme like you? You would just install Tokyo Night before. Oh, I don't like it. This is Kanagawa? This doesn't look right, does it? Oh, I see. I don't like any of them. It does look off. Maybe it needs maybe it doesn't turn this on automatically. I don't like it. I'll be honest, I don't like it. Wave is all right. I don't like it. Oh, then I like it, Crimson. I just think, what about VS themes for Gainer? No, we want it to be good. What's the command for your dot files? Bang dot files. No, I'm not gonna go check any other ones. I only checked because Crimson asked. Chat, if you donate 200 subs, I'll also go check the color scheme you're saying. It's chat classic. What am I gonna say that I'm not gonna be extra nice to Crimson? Come on, guys. He says check out a color scheme. I say how many, you know? Mario Kart in the browser. Nepotism. I did see Mario Kart in the browser, yeah. I'm paying his bills. Exactly. Like, Crimson's literally my boss. I'm unemployed, chat. How about blue hair? I don't want to just copy Prime. That seems kind of lame. Check out one for each one gifted. That files command doesn't work. It does. It just will. It literally just did. It's just Nightbot is slow sometimes. And it has a, if someone just typed it, then it doesn't do it again usually. So that should be purple hair. Okay, so I think this is good. I don't think there's anything else we can say here to make this longer. I did not work too, just funky. It's just Nightbot. It's fine. We're going to replace Nightbot eventually with our own thing. Okay? We're getting closer every week. Yeah, exactly. With the OCaml one. Yep. Okay, we need to add Tokyo or comments. Commands, add, comment. I don't know. We'll just say this. Comments. I'm frustrated. Exactly. Why JS exists in the of him? I don't know. I don't think there's any way that you can beautify JS. It kind of seems like an oxymoron. With no extra space on top bottom. You have to set the window spacing with Western config to do it, I think. Isn't that what prettier attempts? Alright, so nvim comp, auto completion. Will you teach your kids to program? I hope so. I hope to, yeah. I mean, probably I will like at least make them learn something about computers. But if they want to learn programming, oh heck yeah, I'll be teaching them so much if they want. I mean, we plan on doing homeschool and stuff, so hopefully we'll find ways to find stuff that they really love and encourage them to do it. But like ideally, you know, I mean, obviously I'm a little biased. I would love it if they wanted to learn how to code. That would be hype. I would be so excited. Oh man. Prettier JS, that's coffee strip. Don't say it in Prime stream. Oh, cool. Yeah. We taught the C program. Exactly. They'll be forced to write C with no seg faults. And then LSP. Homeschooling a common thing. It's more common than a lot of other places in the world. What if they end up loving VS Code? It just seems not that likely. I would still love them though. What are they on competence Emacs? Emacs is definitely true. True would be fine. You want to do shorts? Looks like you're gonna code assembly. Go to bed already because you'll be writing JS all day tomorrow. But it's like it. Oh, cool. In Denmark, yeah. I mean, the public schools by me are good, but I just think I like homeschool stuff. What if they love Dreamweaver? Very based. Quantum computing for babies, nice. I think we've got a few of the like for babies ones as well. Yeah, well, I mean, I'll be helping, but like you know, my wife will probably do a lot of the homeschooling. Yes. Whenever you let them know, yeah, that VS would exist. Exactly right. Exactly right. I'm gonna protect them from that. Just start my day writing JS. That way that they can only get better. Hey, that's my joke, Vincer. Is he using the default awesome WM? I use pretty close to the default awesome WM config, yeah. Using that in high school 20 years ago, yeah. Blackmailing, tax evasion, money laundering, all that stuff. Those are all primary subjects, indeed. American in Denmark. I've not chatted about it. I got English. She got Danish. Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Instead of a pie hole. Yeah, exactly. How do they get friends then? By going and doing things? Playing with kids in their neighborhood, playing with kids at church, playing with cousins, going and like doing extracurriculars, like, you know, going and doing sports or local bands or other stuff like that. There's like a million ways. It's pretty easy. You just put two kids next to each other and they're friends. Literally, I was at McDonald's with Neil like a week or two ago, and as he's taking off his shoes to go into the play place, a girl walks up and says, "Hey, do you want to be friends?" And he goes, "Yep." And there we go. He made a new friend. What if they prefer Arch? It's fine until I'm ready to be a grandpa. You know what I mean? Then they need to switch and get their life together. In fact, I'd kind of like it if Neil was into Arch in high school. How old are they? I got 3 and 1, and then 1 that's currently cooking. She's using my old laptop. The kid's literally using Arch. Good, you're keeping him safe. I wish I could make friends like that. I know, it's so funny. She literally just goes up to him, "Hey, do you want to be friends?" And he's like, "Yeah." And then they played together for like 20 minutes. So good. Cooking. It's a bun in the oven, as they say. We got 4 and 5 months we tapped out there. Yeah. 2. Oh, we got 2, 4 and 5 months. Yeah. Gifting them system 76. Exactly. I need an Oxford comma or 2. Yeah. Do you guys get any sleep? Yeah, I mean, they sleep great right now. Yeah. Arshan is 2. 1 will come up by throwing a hard plastic away. That's funny. Yeah, right. Just bring food. I'll be your friend. How about green and blue hair and Neovim colors? That would be pretty fun. Red processing, have my kids going online. Yeah, online is a pretty bad place. I think there's a lot of stuff you can do to make it better, but it's definitely dangerous out there for sure. Need to try 3-year-old starts again. Moved to new things been rough meeting people. Yeah, the 3-year-old strats. Yeah. Go to pair program. Exactly. Kids go online, see someone use it. Exactly, Moonchild. Like, they might see someone use code, and that would be really bad. They might not be ready for that. Generally, you don't need this because Envim comp will trigger completion, or will display completions whenever it has completion options available. Not family friendly. Agreed. I wonder if we should put like a line between each of these. That does look better, I think. JFK. Yes. Thanks, Nightshade. This night editor for me all these years. That's funny. This is Tokyo Night. I mean, I really wouldn't care if they wanted to use VS. Do you know what I mean? Is there a good explanation how to add custom snippets? No, but that could come in a separate video, I think. Like, it's too complicated, I think, for the very first one. But we may do a follow-up video. Is there Tokyo Sunset? Nope. Just night, day, moon, and storm. Yeah, but Control Y is the one that NeoVim has. So I think you just use the defaults. That's not how genes work, yeah. Most programmers actually like pair programming? I don't know, you guys are all here. We're like 660 pair programmers. If you think about it. Oh, Cloud, you're right. We should do something. We should have a brief comment above about how to actually use lazy here. To check the current status of your plugins, run lazy. Can you do like lazy update? Yeah. To update plugins, you can run lazy update. We can probably also say when you're inside the floating window, there are I don't even know. I think probably they can figure out that there's key master. Programming in pairs. Maybe also mention Mason. Yes, Mason, you're right. To check the current status of installed tools and or manually install other tools, you can run Mason. Press G question mark for help. Yeah. Good call. Lazy and check health. Check health is just gonna say like information about your setup and if you're missing anything. Lazy, you can do like, I want to update plugins, I want to sync them, I want to like see a log or restore, right? Profile. So you can like do a bunch of stuff and see what's going on, right? Lazy Packer update and Lazy Packer sync. Well, Lazy has update and install. Sync just does sync with whatever your lock file is, I'm pretty sure. Right? Sync is run, install, clean, and update. Yep. Update is in like update the lock files. Right? So it's right there. You can press G question mark for help in this menu. We should go back to lazy. You can press question mark in this menu for help. What's your take about legendary? I don't know what's legendary. They do, Trondosa, because we talk about that here, and they should have done tutor already. So yes, they should know what that means. We've already covered it at the top, so by the time we're here, they need to know that. Legendary. How do you disable those diagnostic messages? What do you mean? Anything about distribution like lazy man? I think they're fine. For some people, they're probably good steps or like the things that they like. R restore uses lock file. Yeah. So question, do you use GPT-4? I do use GPT-4, yeah. I use something else. I use Cody, which is the thing I was making at work and stuff. To find your key max, auto commands, and simple tables. That's some like. It looks cool. I think this is not how I would do it for Kickstart though. It's just too not normal. Encoding to use them. I do use them though. Yeah. Who's overkill for a child? You should start with the VT terminal. Smart. Getting them starting on the basics. Reading comprehension, you expect too much of us. No, I don't expect you to have reading comprehension. I expect that I'm able to say this is in the docs and you should read it, which is smart, right? Well, I know noise because it's a lot. Chat, we don't need to give them every single thing under the sun. We need to get them started with the most minimal stuff that we can. You didn't read the first part? Why did you read the second one? True, good point. I haven't used oil, but it's I've used something similar, yeah. Alright, so where were we? We were here, telling them that you can use Mason. We're on NVIM on comp. It's true, Crimson, I know. I love Kickstart. It's first for me, a lot of my config is just Kickstart. Yep. Exactly, Merlin. That's the goal. How do you handle renaming a file and updating imports in NeoVim? It depends. Some languages have better support than that for others. Right, which is distracting. You just turn off Kickstart. You just, sorry, Fidget. It's right here. It says useful status updates for LSP. You can just turn them off. You would just go like this. Boop. And then they'd be done. Okay, some small get signs, some color scheme, some highlights. Collection of very small independents, mini. This does better surround AF. We need to write some a little bit short stuff about how to do this. So if we do YAF, that should yank around the function. Mini.ai. Yank in next quote. Yank in next quote. So this would be like yank. Surround. So that's for surround, right? So we should go like this. Yeah. Surround inner word. Surround inner word with this. Surround around inner word parentheses. Surround. What are some other good ones for this? VAF. Yeah. Maybe function isn't that good though for Lua. Maybe we should pick a different one. Yank around parent. SD quotes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Surround delete quotes. I'm not sure what it does. Achoshnovsky knows probably though. Makes it work. Oh, nice blank. One on Mac. I'm not using comp command line. Is there a way to completely get rid of the line below the status line display? Set command height equals 0. That'll put it there. Use surround add. Oh yeah, right. Add. And we should do it like this again. Oops. Oh, here we go. Surround around to dupe. Okay, but it's probably surround around it. Surround around L. And we can just dot repeat that. Surround replace. Ooh, we should show that one, yeah. Maybe I'll delete surrounding delete ticks. We'll just delete these because I think it's maybe more confusing with the ticks. SR do doop. Right, so this is surround replace maybe we'll change this to quotes. Let's change this to quotes so that it's like this. So that we can see this easier. What do you think about putting all the configs for each plugin at the end of the file? It'll be easier to quickly parse the file for which plugins are being installed. No, because then we can't use config, KD. I want to use config because that's like it handles loading and do all this other stuff, right? How hard is it to write your own text editor? It would be hard. I might actually try Envin for it. Nice. So this is add, delete, replace. This is around and inside. So we should do this. Right, we should do this. Boop. And then we can do, this is taking me a little bit. Surround around L here. Bonk. Surround around L here. Bonk. Surround around here. The next one is really cool. Should know Java only there's good LSP. Yeah, that is a problem. Yeah. Yeah, we could do a VA one as well. Yeah. VINQ. Oh, it's pretty cool. INQ. Well, they should have YINQ. It'll still show up. You know what I mean? So like cuz we have the on yank stuff. So I still think it's probably good. Yap. Does yap work? I don't think it works. That's paragraph. Change. True. Yeah. We should show one like we can do change. It'd just be change inside quote, right? Or change inside quote. Yeah. Yeah, right. So changing side quote, wow, very cool. And it did the same thing, which is really nice. Yep. Changing inside next quote as well, right, is dot repeatable as well, which is cool. Sadly, JetBrains is just not a consistent one language server for Kotlin. Yes, it's very difficult. People underestimate how difficult it is to make a good LSP when their thing is not built around LSP, which is fine. If you do config use telescope config, you can still use config. Oh, I see what you're saying, KD. No, I think that's more confusing. Because then you need to return a function. And wait, you can't do it. Every plugin install would be on one line. I don't think it's good. Completely on local machine, including plugins, nothing goes out. I mean, you can have it so that everything, yeah. I mean, like, if something talks to the internet, it can talk to the internet, but yeah. In a good normal LSP, people wouldn't be buying IntelliJ. Well, you got to understand what would be, why should they? Why should they, like, it's not easy to expose it as a language server. That's just not true. Like, it's just not true. But then also, like, what would be the point for them? I mean, I guess maybe Kotlin gets really popular and then what? More people like Kotlin. But it's like, I don't know. I'm not convinced that. But JetBrains isn't pretending. That's the thing that I think is, like, that's different. Like, you guys should be complaining about TS server way more than Kotlin. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right, that's what I'm saying. Yes, and same with violence, exactly. You would tell like they do with the ReSharper for Visual Studio Enterprise. Yeah. That's true, they could. Yeah. That would not be that bad of an idea. But then everyone would just complain that they're not getting an LSP for free. Chat, just be real. Come on, be real with me. Be real with me. You think if JetBrains offered a, here's the LSP for Kotlin, but you had to pay, you don't think people are gonna be all up in arms and complain about it? Yeah, but you guys are all reasonable people. That's why you're in my Twitch chat. And are any paid LSPs? There are. There's IntelliFence for PHP, which I bought. It's only 20 bucks. This is what I'm saying. Like, I paid 20 bucks for it instantly. I was trying out PHP. Yes, boom. Let's try it out. What? Why is that crazy? What if I save an hour's worth of work? Yeah, right. It's not a subscription, which is nice. No, it's just 20 bucks once. Lifetime license. Imagine paying for something you want to use and like. I know. And then that supports devs. Yeah, once is interesting. It seems pretty cool. Just once. Yeah. Lifetime license update included. Yeah, it seems great. Yeah, but it was not $20 a month. That would have been a different story. That I totally 12 easy payments of $29.99. Yeah, but it was like it just seemed like, I don't know, maybe I'll want the features. Why not just pay for it and get it? It seems great. So, I don't mind. Especially if I'm doing stuff on stream. It's like I mean, particularly for me, it's just stupid to get stuck on something because I wasn't willing to pay $20. You know what I mean? Like, really? We're gonna spend 35 minutes on something? Yeah. I'd prefer abs served up through local, you know, axes require, and like inside of here, it's like, oh my goodness, we need to write a fake nvim comp source for this. Oh my goodness, that would be so funny. Hey, welcome. Hey. Okay, maybe I'll learn how to make a VS extension and we could put it there. And it's like, hey, just a friendly reminder from your friends at Microsoft. Don't forget to pay your $29.99 a month for Copilot, and also your $13.99 for your base Azure credit, and also $17.99 for your storage on OneDrive, and also wait 5 seconds before being able to skip. Hello, friend. Boom. Welcome. It's your friendly Microsoft team, just here to give you a quick update about our latest VS Code features. We're so excited to have you here. It'd be so funny. First off, we want to say we value you and your time. We love each of you individually and specially. We don't value you as a commodity. $8 for verified autocomplete, exactly. We've noticed that you've attempted to use an ad blocker on our in-editor ads. Here's a free blue screen for you. Boop. It's just like Crisis Computer. We've locked your computer until you take this down to the Geek Squad, sponsored by Best Buy. Right? It's like, to unlock your computer, please take this down to your nearest Microsoft Help Center. We'd be glad to help you and ensure that there are no illegal and dangerous viruses like ad blockers on your computer. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to seeing you in person. Oh my goodness, that'd be so funny. Ad block detected. Yeah. Locking computer in 10, 9, 8. Is that the next Take Tuesday intro? Oh my goodness, that would be a really funny one. Okay, so I was thinking of I was trying to think of what my intro for the Take Tuesday kind of thing for Kickstart was going to be, and I was thinking kind of are you tired of your, delays of 250 milliseconds between when you touch the keyboard and it shows up on the screen? Are you sick of Microsoft lying to you? But maybe we should do are you scared of a future like this, right? And it does all the Microsoft stuff. That would be pretty funny. Oh man. You reached the maximum number of functions for this class. Most of what that just would be considered exactly. Right, and then you kick Bill Gates. This is Neo them, and we kick him into the Sparta hole. This is Sparta. Run out of compiler budget. Yeah, that'd be pretty funny. Unlock extra variables for $29.99. Yeah, I'll think about it. It'd be a pretty funny intro. It would be pretty funny. Where tomorrow is today. I have to use Codespace on GitHub and course. Yeah. Maximum undos reached. Yeah. No, chat, you're way thinking about it wrong, because you're all saying language features. It's all about tooling. This song is Fighters by Conroe. like it has to be much more like, you know, sponsored completions, right? So it's like you go to import and it like forces you to import a Microsoft one, right? And then like you can't import anything besides Azure. Like you're trying to import AWS, but it doesn't let you. Right? So like you're thinking way wrong. Like it's all about forcing you into funnels where you have to pay, right? What is the language that the most time programming in the last 10 years? Probably Vim script. Max plugin installed. You can import AWS, which is a macro to Azure. What do you think about streaming? I feel that people would think I'm too dumb to code. Do you think I should just go for it and embrace it, or some secret magic going on? Well, that can be good content if people think you're an idiot. Like, you guys heard of the Primogen, right? Like, I'm pretty sure that's his whole shtick, right? Or am I getting him confused with somebody else? Oh, man. Clipped and shipped, boys. Clipped and shipped. Hello, Twitter. Good to see all of you. My name's TeachDV. I stream, by the way. Oh, my goodness. Chat, there's no way you'd clip it. You're too slow already. I think you all missed it. Import AWS error fix here. Insert Azure. Exactly. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, no, that's funny. Serving ads in code to send them to NeoVim. That's funny. That's a good idea. All right, let's see. Was it actually funny, or... Oh, do you think I should just go for it and embrace it, or some secret magic going on? Well, that can be good content if people think... You missed the beginning. Like, you guys heard of the Primogen, right? Like, I'm pretty sure that's his whole shtick, right? Or am I getting... You missed the beginning. It doesn't even make sense. The clip doesn't even make sense. You didn't even have the part of the clip where it says, I feel like I'm too stupid. It doesn't even make any sense. Fake drama. They say this, but Vim has an ad. That's true. You've got a point. You've got a point there. Vim has had an ad forever. Bro, I'm too stupid. If we get a Primer X TJ or extra Primer X TJ, how long would the final video be? Oh my goodness. Charity wear. Yeah. Microsoft's a charity too, chat. Did we lose our mute? Oh, I turned it off so I could hear the right. Okay, so that's Tree Sitter. This is it. I think we're pretty much done. Chat, I think we might be pretty much done. I mean, first off, we've got this to start with. How good is this? Do you think keeping most stuff in Lua is better than separating them all and requiring each file? No, I think it's better for beginners, but I don't think it's necessarily better forever. If that makes sense. Like, I think it's totally fine to split them into multiple, and we talk about how to do it in the config. But having one file they can read top to bottom and understand every single line is so important. Is there any plugin which can detect file type based on shebang? Yeah, NeoVim should do it automatically. If you need more, you can use helpvim.filetype.match or add, which will add new file type mappings. So you can do it by patterns and lines and a bunch of other stuff, which is very cool. Later before the plugins, but when I require my settings file before my plugins, it breaks stuff. Well, that's probably because you're requiring stuff that requires your plugins. Ghosty was fine, but I just didn't have time to set it up all the way yet. Why doesn't Kickstart use lazy key maps? Do you think it's less readable? I just think it's probably more than what they need. Like, I don't think it gives you a huge win, Daniil. What's the big win for using lazies? Oh, this isn't the right one. Lazy Envim. Oh wait, are you saying key can be a string or strings for single normal mode? Like I don't see how this gives me a big win. Lazy load on key press, just not worth it. Chat. $44 milliseconds. You don't need to, you never need to think about it. You just literally never ever need to think about it. If you try and think about it at all, be honest, this is faster than most of your computers are even going to draw the screen. Okay? And you are correct. It's better for them to have to see vim.keymap. Too slow. JS would have done better. True. Maybe people start reading files by bytes instead of lines so I don't experience a crash. Scrolling over a large file. Advocate people start reading files by bytes. I don't know. I'm not sure what you mean. What's up, Bertrand? There's nothing to split keyboard in the ASCII art. Yes. The ASCII art has a split keyboard. The ASCII art has a split keyboard right here. It's beautiful. Running a different config with nvim app name rather than nvim-u. Yes, they install the different locations. It changes the standard path. So like, for example, echo standard path cache. See how this says cache kickstart instead of cache nvim? That's very important for keeping them more separate. I think Ghosty is much faster. I didn't notice a huge difference between Western, but Western has been very fast for me. So I don't even know what I would notice could be faster. Maybe if I had a higher refresh rate screen. I only have 60 FPS. I don't have like 144 or 240. So maybe I would notice if I had a higher FPS screen. You can get closed beta access if you know people. Close telescope tag. Yes. You should be able to telescope. File size limit. You can set this to something way lower than 25. Like you could set it probably like 2 and it would be reasonable. Really, default 25 is probably too big anyways. Like, but you could set that so that it doesn't show. It'd be wild to have 240 hertz monitor just to write code. I mean, I game on it sometimes, but keys if you're on a different KB layout. No, you should. In my opinion, you should not remap on different layouts to have them be in the same place. I think you should just keep the keys all the same. nvim app name changes the entire place. So watch this. nvim init.lua. This opens up my config. Right? nvim app name Kickstart opens it up with the thing, whatever I have in Kickstart. Config Kickstart instead of config nvim. It's weird not to have 240 monitor. True. It's probably use ANSI colored characters in ASCII art. Terminal should show the color text. I don't think it'll render right because like they'll be displayed in the buffer. Maybe if you were using conceal and stuff, you could do it, but I don't think it's. I think this is good. All right, let's read this top to bottom. Entire name design a handy go app that manageable and then discovered on mat name. Yep. Well, it didn't always exist. So maybe it didn't always exist. Yo, I'm a Dachino. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. Check out this sweet ASCII art right here. Hey, you like this? I'm thinking this looks really nice. This is the first thing you're greeted with when you open Kickstart. I'm thinking it's real nice. Why make money when you can use ASCII? Well, did you see my tweet? Is that what you're referencing? This one, unemployed, by the way. You rice your NeoVim config. I rice my NeoVim ASCII art. We are not the same. I thought this is what you were referencing. Oh man. Ever tried GPT? The crazy thing is, GPT actually gave us the computer to start with. That's what inspired me to go for it. Same brain cells, exactly. Just one. But I was so pleased with this one. I was so pleased with this. They improved. No, I've had some pretty bad experiences with it too. Oh, also, did you notice? Split keyboard. Split keyboard, by the way. Do you guys think we should have an extra line beneath here? Like this? I think we should have one more line. I think it needs a little bit of space there. Did you see The Boys? Haven't watched it. I think this looks much better. Better for sure. Yep. Add a Doritos bag and a monster verification. Yeah, I've seen Ven and Vim before. Maybe more space to the right. Do these line up now? No. Maybe that's good the way it is right now. What if we move it one further here? Now it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if we delete one more here. Yeah, I know the top of the tower's messed up. Changes Kickstart feel satisfied and ready. I think we're gonna be done. I think we're gonna be done today. They look different because I have ligatures on. What do you guys think? This one or this one? Ligatures. Oh, you're not familiar? I think this one is the best right here. 18 to 50. Actually, I don't know. That means... Oh, shoot, because this goes to 16. I think this one's good. No, if we were going to play, I'm going to play Halls of Torment right now because there was a new update and I haven't figured out the new characters. Oh, you're saying go like maybe give a little bit more space here like this? Yeah, I could buy that. I could buy that. I think that's money right there. Yep. All right, sweet. It didn't break the config. Think I could move the tower one more? Should we change this dot to be an O? Like the power button? Yes. I think we're gonna move back one spot here. Add a second streamer PC? Smart. All right, that's all. We'll play one round of Halls of Torment, then I have to go, chat. Because I got to wrap up a few other things before this afternoon. And raid Melky. We could raid the Milkman. Bullied into gaming. Let's go. So I haven't tried this guy very much yet. I only played one game with this guy. So the interesting thing for this one, chat, is I need to do projectile spam because it launches grenades. So I don't know how to, I haven't figured out a good build for this yet. Attack speed seems good. Maybe we go mask. I don't remember which one of these is going to make me attack fast. All ability scrolls you pick up act as tomes. Oh, that's pretty good. I still think probably Mark of it. This one's probably best. Do I have any other that do attack speed? I don't think so. All right, this is good. We'll try it. We'll try it, chat. Does everyone know the game? This is my favorite level, so we'll do this level. So, okay. So you've got a main weapon, and then these are all of the abilities you can pick up. Okay, each one does something different, right? Each of the main base characters has special upgrades, and then each of these has special upgrades, right? And as you level up, you have to pick between a tree of skills, basically, right? And these can be like double upgraded later. So I'm pretty sure we want to go max projectiles. Yeah, it's called Halls of Torment. So my guys' thing is that I shoot grenades. Some chance. I don't know what the chance is. Based on how many times I shoot a projectile. Okay. So you can see I'm shooting projectiles right here, right? And these are also projectiles. So those are my two main weapons. And then every time you level up, you get things to do, right? So here's strength. So we'll take damage because doing more damage means you kill guys. That's good. You can do special potions after you unlock them. Like, I don't need that one, so we'll forget it. I don't know what it's written in. We don't need this one. We're not gonna take any damage, so we don't need health or regen or anything like that. It is like Vampire Survivors, yes. So we're not gonna take any damage, so we don't need to worry about that. We'll just forget those. We don't need this either. We don't need regen. We're not going to take any damage. This is called Halls of Torment. The only thing we're going to take damage from is this Mask of Madness, which every 30 seconds does damage to me. And then I get bonuses from it. Okay, so here you go. Yeah, I'm playing on Linux right now. Thought this was a coaching screen. It was, yeah. Okay, playing game at end of day. We'll move to Halls of Torment. Because that is where we are right now. Done. Nice. So here's an example, okay? So these are all the possible trait variants. Oh, Luciano, we're not going to take damage because I'm not going to get hit. That's why. These are, so if I pick one of these, I lose the ability to pick the rest of these. Okay, right? So you have to make decisions based on the type of build that you're going for the particular run. Like, you always restart back at level 1, right? Because it's like roguelike. So I feel like I don't want to go grenades. I think. But at the same time, I am going to get a bunch of other projectiles, so I am kind of thinking about it. So I don't know. I have to decide what we're going to do. None of these are good, so we'll just pick this. Yeah, because I'm good. I'm not gonna get hit. Exactly. I'm just not gonna take damage. Oh, and so these potions on the side let you do extra stuff. Like this one lets you apply a trait twice, so that's really good. This one lets you save traits, so you can double pick. This lets you re-roll. Yeah. So you want to forget traits because there's more traits than there are spots, right? So you don't want to miss your chance to get stuff, basically, right? You understand what I'm saying, right? Like, if I keep on getting stuff I don't want to pick, that's bad. I'll run out of levels and I won't get to pick all the things that I want to do. Sorry, what's the game? Halls of Torment. So, like, I'm not really shooting. Like, you can do aiming, like this if you want. I usually do auto aim because I like playing it relaxed, and I don't want to play that hard. I already focused for 6 hours. Diablo 5, way better than Diablo. I actually don't know. I'm not really a Diablo player. So I kind of want to go. I kind of want to go dedication. I'm going to save one of these. Multi-strike main weapon. Oh, that one doesn't do me any good. Unfollowed D2 best. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. I'm mostly making fun of Diablo 4. Nightshade, don't worry. Base force. I actually don't know what force does for my current thing. So we should check what force does. Max duration. Piercing. Oh, piercing. Oh, force is really good then. We should want to get force on the base weapon. Yeah, I didn't really play, so I don't really know. Oops, almost got hit. Like a noob. 20% damage projectiles. I still don't know if that's the one I want to go for or not. So like right here, this guy's a boss guy, right? He's not a very exciting boss, but he does shoot some extra projectiles. So we kind of got to dodge, right? And that's pretty much the game. Stream life is good. Just pretty much finished. Just chat wanted me to play a game, so I said, okay, I play one game. I play one game, and then I go. Problems documentation reading. No, that's my favorite part. This is literally, yes, this game has been around longer though, so yeah. Deep Rock Galactic is like this game. Right? Would probably be a better way of saying it. So then when you... Oh, I just ran right into that. I said I wasn't going to get hit, but I got hit. We'll do this. I think this one's probably good. Okay, so see, now we get new upgrades. Right? We can pick one of these. Oh, this one's projectile, but it's not very many projectiles. I got it. Shut up. I don't know which one I want to pick for this build. A reroll. None of these are really that good either. Oh, I wanted to try this one. Oh my goodness, chat. I just got hit again. I'm being a noob. We plan on not getting damage. Well, I'm still not taking a lot of damage. We're okay. We're definitely okay here. Lots of big numbers, which is also fun in the game. I like this punching one. This one's a new one in the upgrade, or in the update that just came out. And I haven't tried it out a lot yet, but it seems cool so far. More attack speed. Do you play the game while you're in tiling window manager? Yeah, I'm in awesome WM still. You just start it. We'll eventually take a little damage. So if we need to, we can take a little bit of health regen. Fine, just so that I don't want to embarrass myself. I'll take 1. I'll take 1 point in it. Crit chance. Crit chance is good, and crit bonus. Yeah, why don't we go crit chance and crit bonus? It's time limit, so you. I just clicked the wrong thing. You can see in the bottom corner here the time limit. Oh, I wanted to try this weapon too because this one's also new. So it's just time counting down. And bosses come during waves and stuff like that, blah, 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 etc. I got so confused by the black screen. I clicked on something in OBS on accident somehow. Not really sure how I got all the way over there, but it is what it is. Is there co-op? Not that I know of. That would be pretty fun, though. So one of the things I really like about this game is because there's trade-offs in the trait, right? You like build differently each time you play depending on what like you're trying to do with the build, which I think is really fun. As opposed to like I like Vampire Survivors, right? But in Vampire Survivors, it's usually not like you don't pick competing upgrades for the same thing usually. Does that make sense? And that's one thing I really like about about this one. Even in Galactic Survivors, you're not picking competing ones, right? Like it doesn't there's a little bit of that with Overclock, which I think is cool. But yeah, I don't know. I really like this one. I think it's really well designed. It's definitely my favorite. It's definitely my favorite one that I've played. Yeah, it's very cheap as well, which is nice. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. Crit bonus? None of... Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have used... Oh, whatever. I used all my rerolls. That was stupid. Vampire Survivors is also very cheap. True. True and based. Need to replay to get back. I know they keep on adding new stuff, so now I don't have 100% completion. Ooh, so this guy right here, this is a magnet, so I'll pull everything in. Death Must Die. I've played Death Must Die too, yeah. Not as much on that one. That one has a dodge, right, Crimson? That's funny. I do think having a dodge in the game is really interesting as well. Last Deepak is really good. I believe you. Base Force. This one is also pretty good. Thinking about just taking this. This is your new game? I made this. I made this, chat. Yep. I made this whole thing. I don't even think I really want any of these. Maybe I should have taken the damage one. I guess is fine. You know, it's all in OCaml. Yep. With just like in an afternoon, you know. 10% damage. That's pretty good too. Maybe I save one of these. This one's pretty good as well. Troll, I won't ever fall ever again. Luciano. What's the name of the game? Halls of Torment. Your name is Dutch? It is Dutch, yeah. Erlang Explorers back on stream when? Well, I don't know yet because I was thinking, Nightshade, of building Infinite Craft on stream because I thought that would be fun. And I still want to build more of the OCaml stuff. I don't know. I have played Hades, not a lot though. Like pretty little. So I don't know, but like it's definitely not like done. You know what I mean? In the sense that I will definitely come back to it at some point. What are both of what things? What things, Mahika? Sure, we'll do base damage, I guess, for summons. That's fine. Infinite Craft. Infinite Craft is a game. Yeah, I guess. How would you guys describe it? Just someone. Can someone link it to him? Lighting isn't helpful to me. Ever play Factorio? Not really. Just like a tiny bit, basically. Neil. Yeah, it's on Neil.fun. Do I have level 3? Oh, I do. Okay. When needles disappear, they deal magic in an area. Sure, that one's fine. Whoops. Neil found Infinite Craft. Yep, that's the one. So I was thinking of trying to make that game on stream because it seemed like a fun game to make. They get a little crazier, but not like way crazier. Dedication 3 Rifleman. Nice. Except there's one like there's two or three weapons that get super crazy. I just never pick them because I don't like it. I just literally don't like the way it looks, so I never pick the items, even though they're pretty good. All right, let's go grab. Oh, this one is. We definitely want this. What else do we have here? Yeah, we'll save this. So we can see, right? Oh, you guys can't see it, I guess. It's telling me, hey, there's a upgrade to go get over here. I think Infinite Craft does use AI. It seems like it'd be a fun little AI project for something like actually amusing and fun for AI, right? I don't think the game would be incredibly complicated to make either, so I thought it would be kind of fun. So if that works out, we might try that next week. Oh, that's pretty fun. I haven't seen it do that ground pound thingy. Oh, shoot. I don't have anything worth upgrading right now. I guess these are fine. It's more projectiles, so that's good, I guess. See, this is where I do feel like the mining mechanic in Deep Rock Galactic is so good. Like it's so good. Cause it just really like makes the level so interesting. I definitely want to steal that in mine. Base crit chance projectiles. Yep, that's the one we want. Let's do that. How much damage do my grenades even do right now? Grenades. Yeah, we we killed our grenades, basically. That's fine. So they're gonna do so little damage now. Did my music stop, or is it coming back? Yeah, that sucks. I don't know if it's even good. Like I feel like this one is good. We'll take that, and then we'll do weapon proficiency as well. Are we getting back up for damage on grenades? Oh, nice. Saved. Is Thor going to convince you to make games? I already started working on one. A while ago. You know? Whoops. Took damage. GG. I guess we did. I had long hair for a while. Thought that was just an okay meme. No, I literally am making a game engine that I think is good, and I'm gonna try and make a game like this. I mean, I don't know when it's gonna happen, right? That's a separate. Want to see long hair? Just go watch some of my old YouTube videos. There's a bunch of them. This game is Godot. Oh, sweet. This isn't a projectile though, is it? None of these are good. I'll just take the XP instead. That's pretty sweet if this game is made in Godot. Suits better. Yeah, I think I actually think we could make a fun game, you know? Long hair, you look such a nerd. Thanks. Appreciate it. I am a nerd, chat. I stream gaming occasionally, but mostly programming. How much more nerdy can I get? I work on a free open source text editor in my spare time. Maybe I'll save this one for later. If you used object pooling, we could make Prime happy. Yeah, I know. We'll have to see if we can make it happen. An area, 10% range. Okay. You could have an anime waifu pillow. Okay, that's fair. Chat, girls like real nerds. Like, as long as you're nice. It's been my experience, at least. You just have to, like, also have hygiene. You know? I mean, maybe you don't know. But, like, that's what I would recommend. Roasted. Oh, man. I have a little bit too much fun. Bring out the dot files until the 3 dates. That's being nice and showering. Yep. I'm nice. What's my problem? Bisco, I'm sure you could find a lady. Who's Jean? Anyways, hi, Jean. Helps you make her laugh, too. True. True, Bisco, you're kind of like too alpha. You could use to be more nerdy, you know? I feel like that's where you're at right now. Swing 2 morning stars in a butterfly pattern. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Wow, that's a lot of them. Your username is intending Beastco, exactly. Right, it's scary. Beastco, maybe if Prime noticed you, I'm definitely a little nerdy of you here. That's true. Beastco, maybe Prime could do an announcement on stream. For you. Like a competition to see, like, someone could date you. You know? I'm just throwing it out there. Hey, chat. Well, did you guys see that? Where's no, where's Shkreli? What? No, where's Shkreli now? Did Shkreli get back his... Oh, I spelled it wrong. There we go. Where was this? This is so funny. Here you go. Yeah. Is this queen too good to be true? Deepfake? Any Emacs queens out there? I said, sir, back off my chat, and Jojo is a loyal viewer. It's true. There's... At least in Jojo is out here. Okay? So Bisco, there's at least one. Okay. Never seen her, must be AI. C-sharp queen, where? Wait, Prime tries out Bisco and nobody... What if you primed Bisco? Nobody responds. We could probably take this one too, I guess. Greater than or equal to 1. So you're saying there's a chance. Exactly, chat. Alright, we gotta go get... Oh, yes. This is the one we needed. So, chat, okay, here you go, right? This one's plus 0.15 seconds base attacks. We're going to double this bad boy. Boom. Now we should be attacking real fast. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Did you get to play Bash on typing race? I think I'm a faster typer than Bash. I don't remember though. 20% damage projectiles. Pretty good. I want to update the YouTube title. It's okay. This is the last game and then we're done. I know this isn't your game. Danglefly, thank you. I'm glad. Good clarification in YouTube chat. All right, we got to go grab a few upgrades. Then we'll... The reason I like this level the most, I don't even know if it's supposed to be able to happen. Like if it was originally designed to be this way or not. But there's these little ghost guys at the end. I'll show them to you. We're almost there, I think. We got to be almost there. We're shooting a lot of grenades. Are grenades still doing a lot of damage? They are kind of still doing a lot of damage. But there's these little ghost guys at the end, and it seems like they're supposed to be invincible, but you can kill them, which is kind of fun. They just take a lot of damage, so it's like fun to see how OP of a build you can get, and then try and build them like or kill them really, really fast. Oh, I know. It's great. Slow on hit's fine. We'll do that one. The ghosts have low life, but take... Yeah. Oh, is that what it is? I didn't know which way it was. Yeah. 10% crit chance. None of these are really even that good. %. Yeah. I know what you meant. So, but they're kind of fun. They're pretty fun to try and kill. It is sweet that it was made by Godot. Oh, Agony. So after you get high level, you can play, or after you beat a level, you can play again on Agony, and it makes more mobs and more monsters spawn. And the higher you go up, like basically you have to be killing monsters fast. Then they get more health and stuff, right? So it's actually, after all the upgrades, it's like really easy to beat the level, right? But then with Agony, they get higher level, easier to die, blah blah blah, right? So it's a nice like scaling mechanic for the game, right? All right, we gotta be getting close to the ghost. Are you playing on Windows? On Pop? Yeah, just like I'm not. This is just literally. I'm just literally in my window manager still. Maybe I think we'll just pick crit chance when we see it. Is it linear scaling or exponential? I actually don't know, Bisco. It's a good question. I do kind of want to try. I've only played this guy one other time. I do want to play him one more time and try and go like max grenades. Because these blue explosions are the grenades. They happen. There's a chance to happen every time I do a projectile, and I would be kind of interested to see how that works. Is crit chance overcap? Yes. That's one other super interesting mechanic in this game, which is that if you get over 100% for something, it lets you do stacks of that thing. So let's say you have over 100% chance to do fire. You'll automatically apply your first stack, and then you'll potentially apply another level of stack afterwards, which I think is crazy. 100% attack speed projectile. That seems busted. So these guys are like, these are the ones that I'm saying. They like have a lot of health. I've never killed them before without like a bunch of elemental damage. So I don't even know if we'll be able to kill them without going like lightning or something like that. But so yeah, you can apply multiple crits basically, which is cool, right? So I don't know if I have anything with over. Oh yeah, so oh no, this is size. Crit chance, 104%. So everyone's guaranteed to crit, and 4% of the time will have this. We're supposed to hit a ghost with a flail. It seems like it's not working. Because do you guys not see the shields here? It seems like it's not working. Like, is it not working? I don't know. I can't tell. We'll find out if none of them die in 5 minutes. Like, I'm hoping that we're going to be able to kill them. That's why I picked this level, because it's fun to try and kill these guys. Trying to make switching from terminal panel to Neovim. I've tried this game. Halls of Torment. Oh. Wasn't paying attention. Almost got this ghost. These ghosty guys are interesting too. But I mean, I already killed them, so it's not that impressive. But don't I already have this one? Ooh, 60% is tag speed, baby. Okay, so we still haven't killed a ghost. That's a problem, I think. That's telling me that the shields are truly happening. We're not gonna get the kill. Noida stream? I don't know Noida. I have a sneaking suspicion, chat. We're doing no damage to them. Yeah, achievements unlock XP gain and also other traits. Traits can unlock other traits. It's great. Really good. I really think it's a super well put together game. Did they change the ghosts? I don't know. I thought I killed him recently. Roger, hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Where's our Loch Ness monster guy? When does he spawn again? Well, we're killing everybody else really easily, which is nice. That the shields are making me very suspicious, chat. Very suspicious. So, I don't know. Kind of sus. I don't think we're going to get him, chat. Maybe someone can confirm. But it's getting very... I mean, that's a lot of grenade explosions, chat. It's a lot of grenade explosions. Oh, yeah, no, I have seen that. Unless, yeah, I have seen it. I know which one you're talking about now. I think apparently they have 1 million health. Okay. We got to pick something. Oh, these are projectiles too. Projectiles can't be blocked. Well, we'll try this and see if this does anything. I don't think we've killed a single one yet. We're going to kill the boss, I think, very fast, though. They didn't drop anything. Oh. We're going to get so much XP at the end. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen, chat. But they can be killed after how unlike standard version, the marching ghosts summoned by the Lord of Despair cannot be killed. Yeah, that makes sense. The game didn't automatically send me back to Overworld. What? I've never killed him that fast. That's funny. It just seems like that ain't it, Chief. I'll go, I'm just gonna go grab the... Oh, you know what I should do is we'll go grab the one out here. So we'll see if we die walking through. We'll see if we die. Ready, ready, ready. Oh, just barely. Nice. Just barely. We'll go grab this. We'll go grab this one over here. Knew we wouldn't die. Easy peasy. Force is good. What's our damage numbers right now? Not bad, not bad. Morningstar is a lot less than I thought it was. It just looks like it's going to do a lot of damage, but... Just because it's the spiky chains everywhere, but it doesn't seem like it's... The numbers don't lie. You know what I mean, chat? The numbers don't lie. Oh, whoops. That's okay. That's okay. Ooh, base damage. Yes, please. No, neither of those are good. Okay. So if you reject the offer that they give to, you get half of a level, which is nice. This is their level bar over here, in case you didn't figure that out already. There we go. Meow. Lots of levels. Say thanks for making use of very easy your Kickstart move. Oh, nice. Use the default control W to switch between windows. No, I have a few key maps for that. You should just map them to something that that like makes sense for you though. Like I have some that map on like alt like left and right to resize and some other stuff like that. Some of the base ones I do, but for the ones that I use often, I have a few resize mappings. Lot of experience there. Lot of experience. Yeah, no problem. Exactly. Literally right now. Doot, doot, doot. Oh, there's another one? I mean, I guess we may as well grab it right now. Okay, game. That's a bit of a problem. I can't reach that. I can't reach that one. Oh, hey, let's see how fast we kill this guy. Oh, not even that fast, honestly. I thought it was going to be better than this. I thought our damage was going to be better. Size level. I don't. That's a good question. I don't know. I don't remember what the highest level was. 24 base damage. I mean, that's still pretty fast killing him, but I just thought we were higher higher level. One thing that's... Did you play a tank spike build yet? No, I haven't played a tank spike one. One thing that I think would be really cool to explore in a game more, that this does a little bit, is like make it so that you have to balance more like attacking fast. You know, like... these guys kind of do that, right? I think they're really interesting because it's like if you have just really high power but low attacks, you have a hard time killing these guys. But not so hard. It doesn't feel like you have to really think like, oh, I can't do both. At least not after you have a lot of upgrades. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! That's fine. The only bummer is it resets one level of my agony, which is lame. Ooh, nice. 30% crit chance. You can get, I think it's 2 respawns after you upgrade them. Otherwise you die and then it's just, you're done. I don't think I'm going to kill any of these guys. That's a shame. Whoops. Gotta do some dodging. Gotta do some dodging. What does this guy do right now? It does good damage. Why does it say 0? Wait, are these guys not doing anything? This is because I did the minus melee thing? Ah! This is melee? This is a melee weapon. Ah! No wonder why this guy hasn't changed anything. They're doing nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a cosmetic. It's a cosmetic, chat. Blade starts circling. Oh, cool. Okay, we'll try that. It does look really cool. I'm trying to think. Shoot, is there? I don't think there's anything I can get. Oh, hey, we did kill some. I'm trying to think if there's anything I can get to make it do some damage. Because I didn't think any of my weapons were melee. Because I took a minus 400% melee damage upgrade. Which apparently was enough to push this down to 0. Crazy. Who could have guessed? Who could have guessed? I don't know how I was supposed to guess that. Oh, shoot. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to make that work now. No. These are melee? These aren't melee. Ah! I picked a bunch of melee ones. Ah! They at least do damage though, okay? Okay, well this explains why my damage is crap. How can they be projectile and melee? That doesn't make any sense. Well, it's because I took down damage for this one and this one. But these two right here and my primary weapons are crazy strong because of it. Because I got, where's my attack speed here? Attack speed. Look at this. Normally 2.5, right? Right, and they still do proc their grenades. Right now, it attacks 20 times a second. Because I got plus 100% attack speed from the minus 400% melee damage. Right? Same with my actual item right here. Attack speed. Normally 0.7 per second. We're up to 4.5. Right? So my main weapon here is doing 108,000 DPS. Right? And my grenade is doing 88,000. Right? So it's like those two together are destroying everything. Because that's the trade-offs. That's the trade-offs I was mentioning. Exactly. I don't really want any of these. Well, we definitely can't pick something that's melee. Chat, we've We've already made that mistake twice so far. So don't pick these. These two are both melee. It says so on the side. I hate this one. Well, it's... I guess it's projectile. It's fine. Oh, we got another... well, we're really destroying everything, though, with the grenades. I want to try a max grenade build next time I play. Chat, if I play on stream again, remind me to do max grenades. I wanted to see how good they are. Oh, no, I can't run through. Oh, I can right here. There's not that many guys anymore. It's a pretty good tuna fish joke, though. I tried to remember something. Well, they'll remember because they'll remember laughing at me for doing 0 damage for 2 of my items. So I'm pretty confident they'll remember. Hey TJ, remember when you picked minus melee damage and 2 of your items were melee and you didn't know? And now you were stupid? Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Since they want to laugh at me, they'll remember. Damageless? That's right, I just reply maidenless? And then we're all safe, you know what I mean? Like, everybody's roasted. It's fine. I can't believe these guys do no damage. Oh my goodness. 0. Not even like even if they did 5, they would probably be doing so much right now. Oh shoot, I forgot. This is the one that's off the map. Why am I running back to it? Oopsies. Oopsies. Went from 150 to 120. This Diablo. I know everyone. No, it's Halls of Torment. Oh, I should have just picked move speed so I can run faster. So what do I do? There's nothing that can be done. Once you've gotten the arch card, I'm not sure you can go back, which is crazy. Called this game Diablo 5 with my friend circle. Yeah, that makes sense. It's really fun. I love it. It's so nice and chill. Put on a YouTube video. This was made after Vampire Survivors. Just chill a little. Play, pause. Call me graceless. Oh man. I really want to build a game like this. Killing demons or frost giants. Okay, so these blue explosions are grenades. They get triggered every time I launch a projectile. So that's why I have a lot of projectiles this game. Is because all my... So I'm pretty sure mostly the most busted one is this one shoots 20 projectiles a second. Right? So like, I'm pretty sure Phantom Needles plus grenades is broken. Because this one's like, okay, this one's 3 a second. Or no, a third a second, right? This one's not projectiles. Even this one's not that good. Right? So it's like, I'm pretty sure that combo is busted. Because like, look at how much they explode. You know what I mean? Whoops, I almost died again running through those. That's fine. That's what I thought. I thought since they were projectiles, they couldn't be melee. But they are. I was wrong. Yes, Chain Lightning is the best one. Like, what are you fighting? A lot of these guys are like Gargoyle Knight type things on this level. Arcane Splinters is always cosmetic. Yeah, I know. What does it say? They are projectiles? I thought it said they are projectiles. Yeah. I probably should have waited till the last second to do that, but it's okay. Oh, sweet, sweet levels, baby. Just, yes, each level has different ones, different boss types, different layout, different like random things that can happen. Is a pretty good variety, I would say, for this style of game. Look at what is happening over here. My screen. The fountain mechanic when you are on early save games, fun fountain mechanic. Which no! Oops, I wasn't paying attention. I needed to move a little further. Oopsies. My poor codex. I know. Close one. Projectiles? Like, do they even trigger their bombs? I think they do. Yeah, because they say projectiles. We'll double check afterwards. We have to check. I know this one doesn't, but this one is a projectile. I just picked this one because I wanted to, because I needed some quests for it, because it's new. All right, chat. Let's see if I kill the boss fast or slow, okay? 5 seconds. Right here. All right, here's the boss. Where is he? Oh, he's here. Pretty slow, I think. Even for Agony 5. Oh, those dodges, baby. Pretty slow. Also, do you have a German Shepherd? Yeah. Easy peasy. She was on stream earlier. Do you ever play Dota 2? Yes, it's my most played game of all time, but I don't play it anymore because it's a bad idea for my life. Here, we'll go back. I'll show. Can I not see my broadcast? Oh, because it's still live or something? I guess I can't go back. I can't go back and see. Oh, I could go back in YouTube, I guess. YouTube at TeachDV. Here you go. YouTube. Let's see. Where did we have Doggo?
I don't think we
when was that?
Anything else?
It was lunchtime.
I don't even know if we need to put anything inside here, right? Like.
Oh, here you go.
Because what else do we have in some other?
When did I give her treats? When did I give her treats? Where's the cucumbers? I got cucumbers right here. There you go. There she is. She was on stream today. She was hanging out. And she was eating cucumbers. Here. There you go. Just staring, dude. Just absolutely staring, dude. Look at her just locked in on the cucumber, though.
No, that's good, puppy.
Where did I give her? Where did I actually give her some, though? It's sad. Oh, there you go. She's such a good girl. Yeah, she's pretty big. She's like 60 pounds or so. During Christmas. In the end, I hate it so much that I will play next game until you're smart. Ember, like E-M-B-E-R. Because she's black and red. Okay. I gotta go. Just watch the next video.